Creation Leathercraft.
Mr. Wood, this is Stuart with the Junior Claus Workshop, and we have some questions about belt sizing and care, and thought you might be able to help us.
Sure, I'd be glad to help.
Is there a trick to ordering a proper belt size?
Yeah, there is a trick, and the first thing I'd say is don't guess. What you need to do, this is what I normally tell a Santa. Go ahead and get suited up, put your belt on, pull it as tight or as loose as you like to wear it, and then make a note of what hole that you hooked it on. Then take the belt off, lay it flat, and measure from that hole all the way back to the buckle bar where the leather wraps around the bar. That's the dimension that I need.